Hello and welcome to this Stock in Focus for the WCM Quality Global Growth Portfolio. Today I'm joined by Ryan Quinn from WCM Investment Management. Thanks for joining us, Ryan.
Happy to be here.
Today we're talking about a company called Taiwan Semiconductor. Can you give us a little bit of a rundown about this company and what it does?
Yeah, Taiwan Semiconductor at its core is a picks and shovels play on advanced chip making and logic. They are the foundry that will produce all of the chips that are necessary for blocking and tackling basic tech, as well as the leading edge chips that are required for everything from high performance computing, 5G networks, as well as everything that AI will demand in the future.
And can you tell us a little bit about the potential competitive advantages of Taiwan Semiconductor?
Taiwan Semiconductor utilizes a production process called extreme ultraviolet lithography. They're one of the only foundries to do so. This process is required for the leading edge of chip production. So it makes Taiwan Semiconductor kind of the gateway for any of these businesses that are producing chips. In addition to dominating the space for everything for Apple, Intel, AMD chips, etc., they have a 90% share of all chips coming from NVIDIA, AMD, the hyperscalers, as well as AI accelerators.
And what do you like about the culture of Taiwan Semiconductor?
The culture has always been one of efficiency and one of extreme integrity. The production of a semiconductor wafer is one that has to have zero defects. It has to have zero contaminants to it. So the culture at Taiwan Semi makes sure to create a very clean environment to maximize the efficiency of the wafer they're producing. They also have committed to never compete with their customers. So you don't see Taiwan Semiconductor making flat screen TVs or cell phones or anything that would utilize the chips that they're producing within the fab.
Ryan, thanks for your time.